करूँ?
Turtle is a reptile with a bony or leathery shell that protects its body. They are cold-blooded and usually live in or near water, although some species can also live on land. Turtles are known for their slow movement and their ability to retract their head and limbs into their shell for protection. There are many different species of turtles, ranging in size from small enough to fit in the palm of your hand to large enough to weigh over 1,000 pounds. A turtle is a fascinating reptile that has been around for millions of years. Turtles come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with the largest ones being the sea turtles. These creatures are found all over the world, from the frozen tundra of the Arctic to the warm waters of the tropics. In this article, we will explore the life and habits of the turtle. Turtles are reptiles that are cold-blooded, which means that their body temperature varies depending on their surroundings. They have a hard, protective shell that covers their body, which helps to keep them safe from predators. Turtles can retract their head and limbs into their shell, which also provides protection. Some species of turtles have a more streamlined shell, which allows them to swim faster. There are two main types of turtles, terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial turtles live on land and have feet that are adapted for walking on solid ground. Aquatic turtles, on the other hand, have webbed feet that are adapted for swimming. Some species of turtles spend their entire lives in the water, while others split their time between land and water. One of the most fascinating things about turtles is their longevity. Some species of turtles can live for more than 100 years. The oldest recorded turtle was a female giant tortoise named Harriet, who lived to be 175 years old. Turtles grow slowly and can take many years to reach sexual maturity. Female turtles typically lay their eggs on land, burying them in a hole they have dug. The eggs will hatch after several weeks, and the baby turtles will make their way to the water. Unfortunately, many species of turtles are endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Sea turtles, in particular, are at risk due to the destruction of their nesting sites and accidental capture in fishing nets. Some countries also harvest turtles for their meat and shells, which are used in traditional medicine and as decorative objects. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing creatures. Some organizations are working to protect nesting sites and educate people about the importance of preserving turtle populations. In some places, turtle farming is being promoted as an alternative to hunting wild turtles. In conclusion, turtles are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years. They have adapted to a variety of environments and can live for many decades. However, many species are endangered, and it is up to us to protect them and ensure that they continue to thrive in the wild. Turtles are some of the most ancient and fascinating creatures on Earth, with a history that dates back over 200 million years. However, despite their impressive longevity, turtles are now facing an unprecedented threat from humans. Human activities such as pollution, habitat destruction, and overharvesting for food, traditional medicine, and pet trade have led to a rapid decline in turtle populations worldwide. As a result, nearly half of all turtle species are now considered endangered or threatened with extinction. One of the main drivers of turtle declines is habitat destruction. Turtles require clean water, suitable nesting sites, and access to food, but human activities such as damming, dredging, and land development have disrupted these critical habitats. Pollution is also a major concern, as turtles are particularly susceptible to the accumulation of toxins in their tissues, which can lead to serious health problems and reproductive failure. Overharvesting of turtles is another significant issue, particularly in parts of Asia where turtles are widely consumed as food and used in traditional medicine. Many species, such as the Chinese soft-shell turtle, have already been decimated due to overharvesting, and others are rapidly approaching extinction. The pet trade is another significant contributor to turtle declines, as many species are captured and sold as exotic pets. However, captive turtles often suffer from poor conditions, improper diet, and inadequate care, and many are released into the wild where they can spread diseases and compete with native turtle populations. Despite these threats, there are many efforts underway to conserve turtles and their habitats. Conservation organizations are working to protect critical turtle habitats, monitor turtle populations, and raise awareness about the importance of turtles to ecosystems and human culture. Laws and regulations are also being enacted to restrict the harvest and trade of endangered turtle species. Individuals can also make a difference by reducing their impact on turtle habitats, such as avoiding the use of single-use plastics, properly disposing of hazardous waste, and supporting conservation organizations. In conclusion, the relationship between turtles and humans is complex, with humans both threatening and working to conserve these ancient creatures. It is up to all of us to recognize the importance of turtles to our planet and take action to protect them for future generations.